Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kamar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored Parshuhastha side hands and feet pose. Today we delve into Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. I will provide details on pose's shape, how to get into the pose, actions to focus on during the pose, and movements to come out of the pose, and the benefits of practicing Utthita Trikonasana. Join me as we practice together. Grab your mat and let's start. Are you ready? Today's pose is Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. It is a standing pose where one foot is turned in, one leg is turned out, and arm is on the floor behind the front leg ankle while the other arm extends up. Both legs are straight to form a triangle while the torso extends to the side with the gaze upwards. Utthita Trikonasana. You can see I set up 2 bricks on the back edges of mat. You also set up those. In a while, I'll let you know where and how to use them. So let's start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side. Bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching. Then turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. Trunk extended, arm reaching, legs straight. On an exhale, extend your trunk towards your right. Bring your right hand down to catch hold of your ankle, left arm reaching up. Here you can bring your right hand down on the floor outside of your right ankle. And I'm showing you how to use the brick. Bring the brick outside of your right ankle, then exhale, bring your right hand down on the brick, left arm reaching up. Press your right palm into the brick. In place of brick, you can use a chair if needed. Then press down through your outer left heel. Press down through your right big toe mount. Turn the right thigh out so your knee align with your right foot. Bring the top of your left thigh back. Extend your trunk towards the right. Right arm reaching down towards the floor, left arm reaching up towards the ceiling. Broaden your chest, shoulders away from your ears. Then turn the back side of your head to look up towards your left hand. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, look in front, pull through your left arm, inhale, come up. Turn your feet to the parallel, trunk extended, arm reaching. As it's a two-sided pose, we'll repeat on another side. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. Trunk extended, arm reaching. On an exhale, extend your trunk towards your left. Bring your left hand down to catch hold the left ankle, right arm reaching up. You can bring your hand down on the floor or use a brick. Press down into your outer right heel. Press the left big toe mount down as you turn left thigh out to align your left knee with your left foot. Both legs are straight. Bring the top of your right thigh back. Extend your trunk towards left. Left arm reaching down, right arm reaching up towards the ceiling. Chest broaden, shoulder away from your ears. Then turn the back side of your head to look up towards your right arm. Then to come out, look in front, press into your outer right heel, pull through your right arm, inhale, come up. Turn your feet to the parallel, bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Benefits of Utthita Trikonasana. This asana corrects deformities in the legs and relieves backache and neckache. It tones up the leg muscles, removes stiffness in the legs and hips, and promotes the even development of the legs. It also strengthens the ankles and develops chest. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a better alignment through yoga. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in comments below. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.